Samuel Chibiemu Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yada apostle Dr. Ni te kotego ase eni nkwanshansam de du so ne Badwam kase ensam no ne todwa wo mu bia wo be tini FDA mpanifo hwehwemu a won year 2024 mu no abeto dwasa nwokokọ ne ma egumu no enkran edi kan ewo mu sansemi ne sembia no pay yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase share live on Facebook/ Adom TV, Extra Go TV 119, DSTV, 280, ko YouTube, search Adom TV 2. Nekwadomonline.com, semine nsema fufrobi, eka home, Majoy Trish, ontadi ba kune media fia, amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni diamiente, said and 7 chimo, etie. Food and Drugs Authority in 2024, no more memu, or more eba pro, eko, emiamia kwa hwe yengo, okoya yedi ye, abeto dra. Se Sudan ana Sudi ya de efrefremu no enkrafo de eni edi ka akra nti wo hu no ko no a enu nko a emunsem eni.
And the Greater Accra situation, a bit honestly worrying. We levels now. Greater Accra had the highest failure rate nationwide. At top year 2023, we had about 18% failure rate. 2024, no, 53% failure rate. Let's say it's on the rise, but about one market, as a Malamata market like this, I recorded a clean market. And currently, Malamaka market, you bet me confidently say that with the data that we have, they are very clean. But the other markets have some traces or some levels of various levels of failure rates across Greater Accra. Niger Assembly says FDA is not moved. We are still focused. We are still determined. The police officers are there. We are putting in place or setting in place all motions to ensure that you be working collaboratively and then bring this level here.
And President Dima Oil Palm Development Association of Ghana, Paul Kwabena Amani, and so Eddie to just say.
Ye di kan catch almost say. Omo mo yang on yen ye gidi ye say. And yomo no mo de sudi ni yede efra. Nti omo chima no marketer. Omo pa omo nkoye mails no omo nkoye ene omo anhwehwe mu adadi se enwo no ayeye wo ye mpatam no enya de di sudi ye de efra nti se yen fa sudi infra ni solution ya ne se ye yenwo na ye package wo na ye nsili ni emfa kria kodo ntale ho ne ba market ma hwan ni bitimi ado treat bi.
Bayan tuan samno sona bayan adi atuja chemo sana ochimienu edaye nimu no anes for allowance no obehwe na sika 231 million Ghana cedis no onsa etumiaka.
This year we are distributing not less than 700 medical doctors across the length and breadth of this country. And it is Mr. President's directive that he would not want to hear that there's any district in this country without a medical doctor. And so these 700 medical doctors are being posted to the districts where they are needed most. That's leadership. That is leadership, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, again, in a matter of less than 1 year, we have paid approximately 500 million to nursing trainees as allowance. And in the next 2 weeks, Mr. Speaker, we are going to pay additional 231 million to them. The days of arrears in multiples of 20 months, 10 months, 18 months are gone.
Yantua Kasiano eso na yamampani John Dramani Mahama Sagana Fonkawa Kumanto Wonyem. Yamiya Duma Yedi Bronya Newie New Year ni mono. One more Egua Huboso se Defense and Environment Minister for Ombe Power. DNT Ama Kobasa ye Adishia Papaya. Walkwe Juma Nebium Shay. Edwon Koshi who a man never to an anonymous year doing tea and then who are going to see you for Mampani didn't see me etuja.
Ni John Dramani Mahama ni nhyehyeye so befa ye oswafo foforo akọ ye defense ene environment ni sesese no womo enya aswafo a womo na ehwe ho ye oswafo a ono na hwe Ghana sika semso ato forcing ehwe defense so eba na environment a ehon so no oswafo a ono na hwe lands and natural resources Imano ama kofibua ene wo omampini John Dramani Mahama edi atudwa se wo hwe eye saga bie da wo ya ento akosi afefofra yebesimu eye 2026 ahyase na womo anya soafo a womo ene bekodi djuma ewo ho.
They say Allah gives and Allah takes. He took 2 of our comrades and we haven't filled those positions yet. I can see people speculating he's going to appoint a new defense minister, a new environment minister. We're not in a hurry. I'll do those appointments next year after the holiday, the Christmas and the New Year. We'll fill those positions. And so those speculating about somebody going to be appointed tomorrow and all that, I mean, just take your time, go and enjoy Christmas, and then after Christmas we will take a decision on those ones.
By some no so no so for ya gender, children and social protection. So Dr. Agnes na Mumu Lati de tuja mu se oba wani no ani kunu twa basi ne so bro no mu ade no. Baby asisi one ne mma won de asomdwe wo ho pa wo makra won ewo baby a won masum adwo.
Ase obeyi obi yakayaka ade na yakayaka di emra etia nti we obi yakayaka di a se ye wo kunu eye wo yire ana wo ba ana obi bia wo nipa bi owo Ghana ha no wo ye no yakayaka di a emra etia nti mra eni wo ebedi nti yesre obi bia especially yen traditional and religious leaders, opinion leaders ena ebusua panyin mu yesre mu system ne beto ho a ma yen fa nye ebusua asem enka because normally ye asem ne be fia ne aye asem ne basa.
Ehona United Nations Resident Coordinator de Moman Ghana and so edit to just say ni senia ye omanfa yakayaka de wa be fontintan so ntiru ene mano yade a ha adwene pa emu pina no enya de so omanfo ekọ aposifo akachi ekobo wono mo amane.
Now, while investigations continue by the authorities and the details vary, the images remind us of a deeper reality that for every case that we see going viral on social media, there are many, many more cases which are unreported, unseen, and unaddressed. Because now violence is not only physical and is not only confined to homes, streets, or workplaces. Today, abuse follows women and girls into their digital lives.
Adom TV Badwam kasia na hana brema kwan na no pay yede asie yeda se mre ne adaje a wode ma yenti yeda se papa fe ena yede agudie mu nsam no to so de bonkrata ka ho Adom online so ewom na fe health tips no